You have stolen my dreams.
All right. Live. We're back. Dex, you just ended your last show like 10 seconds ago.
Pretty much.
He's a hardworking man, folks. He cares. But we're here, and you know what? To make up for the bull panel last night, we've got Will with us. I feel bad. I was chatting with Will, and I just sent him. I didn't send one to Cramerica, so don't take it personally, buddy. But we've got Will with us, and of course, Dex, the algo capitalist. And we're looking at Bitcoin, and we're getting ready for a training event that we're very excited about. And someone posed us with a hypothetical question. Our members know very well we do not give financial advice. But someone posed a hypothetical question. If you need to park some cash, you need it to be there. In these chaotic times, can you speculate about where may be some of the best places to stick that? So we're going to consider it as a question. Again, no financial advice, but we will consider it as a hypothetical and just bounce some ideas, maybe try to ease some fears and or create some fear where there's not enough. The other, whatever's clever and helps our members. So we'll be talking about that. And where are we going to be talking about that? Well, if you're a member or if you're not, go to pulsewavetrading.com. And for as little as $11 a month, you can have access to all of our live trainings. We do them twice a week. We also accompany that with an ETH trade update. And so you see how Dex is trading his ETH this week, right now, today. So you get the ETH USD report, the XRP USD report, you get the forex Euro USD, and access to all of our training, as well as our Sunday evening trade journal, which shows you his full training. Basically how Dex starts his trading week. You're in on it every Sunday evening as it's happening. Now, if you want that every night, you just upgrade to Pro. But if you want to get a taste and you want to be there for some of these wonderful live meetings that we're doing every week. In fact, this week it's on Tuesday and Wednesday. Most weeks it's on Tuesday and Thursday, but we had conflicts, so we're doing them Tuesday and Wednesday, today and tomorrow. And you get access to this page where you can join our live event today. And also the replay is posted just shortly thereafter, maybe an hour or so after usually. And it's a great time. They're often brief, but they're extremely helpful and they're consistent. So we would love to have you as part of that. Just go to pulsewavetrading.com. And then once you're in, go to your dashboard and click on the Pulsewave member blog. It's the purple one with me and Dex on a spaceship. You click on that, and you'll have access to all the links you need to join that call, which is starting in 17 minutes. So we would love to see you there. But my dudes, with all of that said, I'd like to know how you're feeling about our friend Bitcoin. It's hovering around the 30,000, exactly at the $30,000 handle today. ETH is up over 2,000 again, which is like it's not the greatest prices we want to see, but it's slightly more encouraging than anything below that. So so Will, Dex has been talking a while. How about your thoughts on Bitcoin to get started?
Okay, so right now, Bitcoins, everyone is so scared about the stable coins.
Yeah, that was a big thing this week with USD.
Right, and it's gonna go down to 20,000. People say 14,000. And well, here's the thing. I think the short-term bottom is in. I'm gonna go on a limb and say this because of the sentiment factors.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm planning to transfer some of my stable coin and play the bounce. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I think the bounce could last a couple of months. Okay. Assume the sentiments go back into bullishness, then I'll start to be careful.
Mm-hmm.
But as of right now, if you ask me, would I short Bitcoin? No. All right. Would I want to get long to play the bounce? Yes. I mean, there's a good chance it's going to bounce back to 37 to 40. That's my take on it.
All right. Very helpful. All right, cool. Dex, what are your thoughts on Bitcoin right now? We're going to look at ETH in just a few minutes when we get on our live call with our members. We're going to trade ETH live. But what do you think? What are the algos showing in terms of what's going on with Bitcoin this week?
Well, to be quite honest with you, you can tell that Will's been with me the longest, right? Because everything he says, I ditto that. And he is absolutely right. A short-term bottom has been posted in Bitcoin.
Okay, cool.
It's in a bear market retracement on the daily algo charts. And we just put in a short-term new weekly high. So I think the market does want to continue to run from here. And that's how I would play it. But both Bitcoin and Ethereum on the same boat. They're both in bear market retracements on the daily algo charts. And as far as shorting is concerned, that is not the focus. The system likes the long side right now, not the short side.
All right, love it. Awesome. All right, folks, we'll be live in 14 minutes. And by the way, thanks to everybody joining on Rumble. We're streaming live there as well. And we can't communicate as easily with those folks as we can with everybody on YouTube, but we'll get there. We'll get there. But yeah, welcome to the Rumble, people. We're glad to have you. So we'll be live soon. We're going to be going over ETH. And of course, we're going to talk about if we had to park some cash that had to be there, what would we be doing with it right now? It's a really hard question, very hard to answer. And I'm going to make Dex do it. So we'll see you folks.
Under the bus.
Yeah, just a little while. All right. Take care, everybody. We're out.
Peace.